Yeah, we stay clutch. Kick back, chill, we don't need no flex. Messing with the crew, you'll get the check. Running through the streets, we ain't playing games. Roll up on the block, now they know the name.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another Herostime unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it, revealing. Today, we're seeing what this is. This has to be the updated Black Panther suit. As you can tell, it has the shoes built into the suit and not separately. Smells like spray paint. So let's look at it. Oh, the quality of this is nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, so okay, for some reason I thought this was regular zipper, but it's U-zipper, and I like U-zipper, so we good. This right here is the new Black Panther suit. Shoes are built inside. So, yeah, we're not gonna try this on today. Probably try it on tomorrow. So, yeah, man. This is lit. This is lit. Like I said, thank y'all so much for watching. And I'll catch y'all in another one.
Yeah, this how we move. Yeah, this how we move. Hey, yeah, this how we move. Nytro. Yeah, this how we move. Yeah, oh yeah, that's how we move.